Rotisserie, baby.
You gotta get that slight little char.
Hey, it smells like pine a little bit.
What are we heating up here? Dino Nuggets.
2 more minutes, man. 2 more minutes. Come on.
Correctly.
Yeah, I was about to say, just get them freaking on fire.
I believe it. I think the thing come out your mouth.
This guy's new. He came in with a pretty big mess on his plate and has just knocked stuff out left and right. And we're very grateful and proud of him. So, major.
Real, thank you. Ah, that's I'm telling you, man.
What did I say? Give it an old
loop scoop and pull.
old loop swoop and pull.
Same thing as boot scoop and boogie, but different.
Yeah. Mississippi style.
Just like oil on a baking sheet, you know. You gotta grease it as you go.
You can always add to it. You can't take away from it.
In your day,
Fire! Reverse!
out on the prairie,
One hop. Hey, I need a scoop and a spoon over there. Get the slow motion.
the Virgin Mary, wondering to God if you had ever been born.
What we're doing here is we're cleaning the wheelbarrow as we go. That way it saves for cleanup later. What do you think, Travis?
I think that's a mighty fine idea, sir.
What do you think? You think that's putting enough water?
That's hurting everything too much.
That's good.
To the west coast, just as lonely as the next.
What we got here is a piece of lumber. What we got above the lumber.
Singing my song to an empty shore. Love like lightning. You don't have to whisper if it's the truth.
Day 2.
Oh, we won't live again, but you'll remember me.
Yeah.
I was good to you. Oh, babe.
Okay, I got it. We're in there. Definitely jury rigging this. Jury rigging.
Jerry don't ever get no slack.
Good morning.
What we gonna do today?
Blow some leaves. Blow leaves.
Alright, make sure you're driving good.
Tell your friends how you were burned.